it's your hair and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bake with me video. So I am going to make this chocolate chip cookie in a pan thing. It's pretty cool. It was at Target and my brother got it for Christmas, but he told me to make it, so I'm gonna make it. But it came with this pan to put the mix in and stuff, and it came with the cooking mix, and the ingredients are 1 egg yolk, butter, and water. Or I'm gonna not do water, I'm gonna do milk instead. But that's just getting on to cooking. Sorry about the lighting. I'm in my dad's kitchen, and it's very dark, so I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna do the best I can. Okay, first it says to preheat the oven to 750. So wait, it's dark. So I'm just going to, hold on, I don't know why it's not, okay, right here. I'm just gonna put it on 350. And then it says put the timer on 15 minutes when it's in. I'm reading off of this, you guys can't see. Yeah, you can't see, but it says to put it on timer for 15 minutes when it's in the oven. Sorry, but yeah, but now I have to get the ingredients, which is egg, butter, and water. I'm not gonna use water, I'm going to use milk instead of that. So I'm gonna get the eggs first. Oops. Put that over there. Move my phone. I'm gonna get the milk. Just going to use the Silk almond milk in vanilla. And then I'm just going to use this butter, vegan butter. And that's all the ingredients, and I have to mix it in this bowl with this. This is like the mix inside here. So I got my bowl and I got my measuring cup thing. And now first I'm going to put the mix in that came with it. But I don't want to rip the ingredients off because I need them. Put this in here. And get every little bit I can. Okay, so that's the chocolate chip mix, and now I have to put 1 egg yolk. So I have my egg yolk. Let's put it in, and then the rest, I don't know, but yeah. And then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of butter. This is the butter I'm going to use. I was confused of why I'm laughing. I'm laughing because my dad. Yeah. Bye. So I need 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to be using, and this is, hold on. I don't know why it's not. Okay. Yeah, but I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in. I'm going to do that. And then that. I don't know if you can see. Okay, sorry. And then another one. Ew, the butter is melted. And then so that's the 2 tablespoons of butter. And I washed my hands before this, so if you didn't know. And then I need to do 1 teaspoon of water or milk. I'm going to do milk, so I need 1 teaspoon. So this is 1 teaspoon. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to use that and pour, you can't see, but it's almond milk. And I'm just going to pour that in here. Okay. So that's all done, and now I'm going to use my whisk and just mix it all together. So this is the dough. It looks pretty good. Okay, it actually looks like real cookie dough because it is real cookie dough. But now it tells me to grab the pan and push the dough into it. So I am just, going to use my hands to put it in here. Actually, no. That's very unsanitary. Okay. And now I'm going to get a spoon and press it all in there. But I'm just going to push it all around. I could use a spatula, oh well. So that is the skillet with the dough on it. And now I think, I have to bake it for 16 minutes. So let's put this in the oven. Let's open this. Hopefully I don't burn myself. And put this right there. And set the timer for 16 minutes. And now we wait. The worst process of baking, waiting for it. And at the end I would do a taste test, but now I have to clean my mess up. Let's put the butter back. Put it there, in the milk. Oh, no, it didn't go there. It goes here, but this isn't working. Put that there. And these have to go in the sink, and I'll wash them later. It's all good. Oh, and I have to throw this away. And that was a fast cleanup. Sorry about the lighting, oh my god. It's really bad. It's still pretty snowy outside. Yeah, but we're just gonna wait for that. It's 14 minutes now, and it looks like that so far. Only 10 minutes now. Yay! Oh, it's done. Let's check on it. Okay. Okay, timer off. Let's check. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I need an oven mitt. Okay. I'll just use this. Let's try to grab this without burning myself. My gosh. Okay, now I have to let it sit for 5 minutes. And just sit for 5 minutes to cool it down. Turn the oven off. And it looks so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to eat it. Now, I'm gonna be back in 5 minutes and test it for you guys. So I have the thing right here. It's small. I mean, it's like a cookie, but it's like a cookie cake kind of, I guess. But this is the piece. It looks really good. I'm gonna show you up close so you guys can get hungry. Why did that focus? Okay, there you go. I can't wait to try it. Let me put this back up. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to be trying it for you guys, seeing how it is. It was very easy to make. All you needed was eggs, butter, milk, or water. Things in your household basically. Sorry about the noise, but I'm going to take a little piece and try it for you guys. I don't know if it's hot, but it's pretty good. Just looks like a regular chocolate chip cookie. Really good. Yeah, but that was easy recipe, so hopefully you guys can make it at home. Even if you don't have like a skillet or anything, you probably can make it in a regular pan. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to eat this, and my brother didn't want to be seen, so I had to cover the camera. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's probably going to be short, I don't know, but I'm going to edit this and hopefully edit it tomorrow. Today's Saturday, January 18th or 19th. I don't know, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment below if you want to see next, hit the bell, and subscribe for more videos. Love you guys, and bye.